Hello students, welcome to my channel. This is Sunil Naik. In this video, I will explain you the question paper were asked in the Navodaya entrance exam about the LCM. Okay students, in last video I have explained you about the LCM, how to find LCM. Okay, LCM means least common multiple. In this video, I am going to solve only the questions which were asked in the last year, before last year, like this. Students, let us see. Here I have written two questions. You can see here. So all the variety questions I am going to solve in this video. So first question, let us see. LCM of 3, 5 and 9 is. So first question is LCM of 3, 5 and 9 is. So here they have given 4 options. In Navodaya entrance exam, they will give you 4 options. So first option is 25, second option is 45, third option is 65, fourth option is 85. Okay, these are the answers. Okay, friends, here you have to do that. If you know the answer, but don't take the answer directly. You have to solve that question. After that only, after the confirmation, you have to take. Okay, friends. So let us see how we can solve. I will solve here. So here 3, 5 and 9. Okay, 3 numbers are there. I have written here. So to solve the LCM, what we have to do? You have to take your prime numbers. I told you. First, you have to take 2. Okay. If it is not there in 2 table, then you can go for 3. So what number we can take here? We can take 3. Because in 3 table the numbers are present here. 2 numbers are there. So 3, how much is the 3 we have to see. 3 1s are 3. So in 3 table there is no 5. Questions, in 3 table there is no 5. So what we have to do? We have to take as it is 5 down. We have to write 5 as it is. Okay. Next 9 is there. In 3 table 9 is there or not, we have to check. 3, how much is the 9? 3 3s are 9. 9 is present in 3 table. So we can write 3 3s are 9. Now, after this, we have to, which number we can take, depend upon these numbers, we have to decide. So 5 is there, 3 is there. So here 1 we got means we can stop that one. Again 3 is there, so we can take again 3. 3, 1s are 3. So in 3 table there is no 5, so we can take down 5 as it is. Okay friends. Now here also, this also we can stop because we got there 1. Now 5 is there. In which table 5 is present? In 5 table only. So 5 1s are 5. Now friends, you can see here these numbers we have to multiply. So 3 into 3 into 5. So here 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45. So what is the LCM? LCM of 3, 5 and 9 is equals to 45. So you got 45 answer. So in these options, 4 options, is there 45? So 45 is there. So this is the right answer. So that we have to circle there in the OMR sheet while writing the entrance exam. Now let's go to next question. Question number 2. Find the LCM of 20, 40 and 60 is. So here little bit big numbers are there. 20, 40, 60. And they have given here option 100, 120, 140 and 240. So students, again what you have to do? We have to solve this by the prime factorization method. Right here 20, 20 and 40 we have to write 60. So from which we can start, because all the numbers are even, so we can start with 2 because even numbers are present and it is divisible by 2. So we can take here 2 So in 2 table 20 is there, we have to check. 2 how much is the 20? 2 10s are 20. 2 how much is the 40? 2. Here we can do directly. 2 2s are 4 and 0. Means directly 22s are 40. Here also we can use the technique. 2 3s are 6, 0 means 2 30s are 60. So students, here in this step, one more thing we have to understand. If the number is too big, so you can't do that. Means 2 10s are 20 you can say, but 2 11s are 2 12s are you can't say, no, because you not learned that. So what we have to do? We have to write that number separately and we have to divide with 2. See, 40 is there. 40 we have to write and we have to divide with 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 0s are 0. So answer is 20. Like this we have to divide in rough and we have to write here. Okay students. Now let's go for next step. Again all the numbers are even. We can take 2. 2 how much are 10? 2 5s are 10. 2 how much are 20? 2 10s are 20. Here 2 15s are 30. This also you can do in rough. I am not doing here rough. You have to do in rough if you can't understand that. Next again 2, 5 as it is, because in 2 table there is no 5. Here 2 how much are 10? 2 5s are 10. 15 as it is. So again we have to check here. Is it divisible by 2? It is not divisible by 2. So what we have to check about the 3. In 3 table these numbers are present or not. So in 3 table there is no 5, there is no 5, but 15 is there in 3 table. So we can take 3. 3, 5 as it is, 5 as it is. 3 how much are 15? 3 5s are 15. So last we got all 5, 5, 5. So directly we can take 5 table, because in 5 table 5 is present. 5 1s are 5 1s are 5 1s are. So students, now you got these numbers. Now you have to multiply. Yes, let us see. So write these numbers: 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Now we have to multiply. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 5s are 120. Friends, if you can't do directly, you have to multiply. Say 2 2s are 4. How much it is possible, that much you can do directly. Afterwards, you have to multiply in rough, then you have to decide. So what is the answer of this question? 20. So LCM of question 20, 40, 60 is how much? 120. So where is 120? Second option. So B, for B we have to put circle. Well friends, I hope you have understood this one. Again let's see next question, means a different kind of question. So students, you can see here question number 3 I have written here. Okay. Find the least number which is divisible by 15 and 18. So the question is different here. They are not asked to find the LCM of given numbers. They are told here, the question is find the least number which is divisible by 15 and 18. So what we can do here? We have to find the LCM of this given numbers. Sometimes they may give 3 numbers, 4 numbers also. Okay, they have given here 2 numbers. So we have to find the LCM of this 15 and 18. Why we have to find out the LCM? Depending upon the question, we have to decide. We have to do LCM or HCF. Here, they have given here least number. Okay, what is the meaning of LCM? What is the long form of LCM? Least common multiple. So they have asked their least number. So we have to find LCM. If they ask greatest or bigger number, okay, then we have to find the HCF. Okay, next video I am going to explain about the HCF. Okay, now we have to find the LCM of 15 and 18. So take first two because one even number is there. So in two tables there is no 15, right, as it is 15. And in two table 18 is there or not, we have to check. 2 almost 18, 2 9s are 18. Difference. Next, we can't take here 2. So take try with T, 3. So 3 almost the 15 and 3 almost the 9 we have to find. 3 5s are 15 and 3 3s are 9. Again we can take 3 because 3 is there, 5 as it is, 3 1s are 3. Now it's completed. Now take 5 because 5 is a prime number. If the numbers are prime, we can take directly that number only. 5 1s are 5. Now we have to multiply these numbers. 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 5s are 90. So if you don't know what I told you, you have to multiply. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. 18 into 5. 5 8s are 40. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 4, 9. So 90 is the answer. So where is 90? Here. So third one is the right answer. Third option is right answer. Like this we have to find. If they ask find the least number, means we have to find the LCM only. Don't confuse this. Okay, friends? Let's go for next question. So students, question number 4. This is very important question because we have to understand this question first. We have to read and we have to understand because little bit different. Means directly they will tell you to do LCM. You can do. Okay, and the least number, that also concept clear now. Now this is a little bit different from the all other questions. So here let's see the question. 3 bells ring at intervals of 12, 15 and 18 minutes respectively. Okay, 3 bells are there. They will ring intervals of means one bell is there that it will ring after every 12 minutes, and second bell is it will ring after every 15 minutes, and third bell after 18 minutes. Okay, they started ringing simultaneously at 9 a.m. Okay, they started ringing simultaneously at 9 a.m. means after some times again they will ring simultaneous. Okay, now at 9 a.m. they started ringing simultaneously. What will be the next time when they all ring simultaneously? Now 9 a.m. means morning 9 o'clock. They ring simultaneously. After means after that, at what time they will ring again simultaneously? They have asked. So to find this one again, we have to do the LCM of these numbers: 12, 15, and 18. Okay, I will tell you first we have to check in options, answer options. They are given 4 options. At 10 a.m. Okay, answer is 10 a.m. First answer. Second answer is 11 a.m. Third answer is 12 p.m. Fourth answer is 1 p.m. Okay. We have to find the LCM of 12, 15 and 18 here. So let us see. First we will find the LCM. 12, 15 and 18. Okay friends. Now as I told you, first we have to start with 2. 2 almost are 12, 2 6 are 12. In 2 tables there is no 15, so write as it is. 2 almost are 18, 2 9s are 18. Okay friends. Now again we can take 2 because one even number is there. 2 3s are 6, 15 as it is, 9 as it is, because 15 and 9 these numbers are not there in 2 tables. So what number we have to take next? We have to check with 3. If the numbers are not there in 3 table, we can go with 5, 7 like this. But in 3 table the numbers are present, so we can take 3. 3 almost are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 almost are 15, 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9. Again take with 3 because 3 is available. So this we can stop here only, or you can continue 1 1 1 as it is. So 3 1s are 3, 5 as it is, because in 3 table there is no 5. Okay, Next, this is prime number, so we can take directly 5 on the 5. Now we have to find the LCM, so we have to multiply all these numbers. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So students, here 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 5s are. If you don't know what I told you, we have to multiply. 36 5s are 36 into 5. 5 6s are 30, 5 3s are 15 plus 3 18. So we got here answer 18. Okay, 18 is the LCM. Now you may be thinking that the answer we got is 180, but in option 4 option, is there 180? There is no 180. So here this question is related to time, so we have to convert this into time. Okay, this it is in minutes. 180 minutes we got. This we have to convert in hours. Okay, so in 1 hour, how many minutes are there? 60 minutes. So 180 minutes means how many hours? We have to divide with 60, because in 1 hour 60 minutes is there. So 0 0 cancel, 6 1s are 6 3s are 18. So how many hours? 3 hours. So again you may thinking answer we got 3 hours, but there is no 3 hours. Students, your thinking is right. Here 3 hours. Now come to the question. Simultaneously Ray rang at 9 a.m. Okay, 9 a.m. means for 9 we have to add 3. 9 plus 3, how much? 12. AM or PM? Afternoon means PM. So 12 PM is the answer. So third option is there, 12 PM. So students, these type questions you have to practice more, because not only in Navodaya entrance exams, in SDA, FDA and in competitive, higher competitive exams also they will ask this question. So this question is very important in the LCM chapter. Okay students, if you not written this one, you can pause the video and you can write. Students, let's write and let's go for next and last question. So friends, let's see the fifth question. So find the LCM of 3, 5 and 7. We have to find LCM of 3, 5 and 7. Okay. When all the numbers are prime, so at that time not need to find LCM. Okay, you can multiply directly. Here, if you multiply 3 into 5 into 7, you will get answer. So here, we will check by doing LCM and by doing directly. 3 5 are 15, 15 7s are 105. Okay friends? Now, here, 3 1s are 3, 5 as it is, 7 as it is, 5 1s are 5, 7 as it is, 7 1s are 7. So, if all the numbers, given numbers are prime, here not need to do this step. You can do directly multiply, because it will save your time. One thing you have to remember, if all the numbers, all the given numbers are prime, then only we can do only multiplying. By multiplying, we will get the answer. Okay, friends, I hope you understood all this one. Here again, last thing you have to remember, 3 5 are 15, 15 7s are 105. So this is also correct. But what I told you, this method, we have to prepare this method to save our time. Okay, friends, I hope you all understood what I told today. So in next video, I will explain the questions regarding the HCF. HCF means highest common factor. Okay. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe and share to your friends. So it is very useful to the Navodaya entrance exams. Okay, students. Thank you. Bye.